Morning, everyone. It's 8:27 on this Wednesday morning, July the 5th. Hope everyone had a nice long weekend. Okay, the chart on the screen is the oil, which again went below 70 and, of course, popped right back up. A little closer look. So every time we've come down here, we've held and started back up. So we're basically in a trading range between about, let's just call it 79 and 69 or 68. Um, but the news over the weekend was that um, both Russia and the Saudis, not that Russia means much or can be trusted, but the Saudis are absolutely going to keep their decreased level of production through August. So that's they've taken off 1 million barrels a day. They did that this month. They're doing it next month also. Other news: UPS walks away from the bargaining table after giving the unions an offer that they found unacceptable. UPS, for their part, says we're not walking away. We gave them an offer. They didn't like it, and we don't really have an issue for almost a month. Contract doesn't run out till the end of this month. Today's only the 5th. Rivn 2110 up $1.54 or 7.5%, and that is on the news that they are rolling out their Amazon vans over the next month in Europe, Germany in particular. So we'll have to see how that goes. I have no idea what their charging network looks like in the EU, so I guess we're going to find out about some of that information also. Wolfspeed gets a $2 billion contract for wafers. They get a they get a deposit on that, and the stock is 65 and a quarter. That's up 851 or 15%. That's pretty big. And that's a relatively new company as far as being public goes. Yahoo is talking about doing another IPO, coming back to the public market. They say that they are greatly positive as far as earnings and that they may in fact come back. And Rig UBS goes to strong buy, and the stock is 727. That's up about 30 cents. In the last week, it's also had a bit of a rally anyway, coming off a low just 4 days ago of $5.98, currently now trading 739, and that's up 42 cents. The high is 740. So doing really well there. As far as stocks go, as far as futures go, we have a decline in both Asia and Europe. Um, and the Dow, which was down 168, is now down 185. Nasdaq was down 85, now down 95, and the S&P was down about 21, currently down about 25. Bonds are slightly lower. Asia and Europe, as I said, slightly lower. Um, we have the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock today, and we have factory orders coming out at 10. We were supposed to have mortgage apps out at 7 o'clock, but I haven't been able to find those anywhere. So just take a look at the rest of the futures and see what's going on. We have the oil up $1.66, nat gas up about 4 cents. Grains are not yet open. Gold is up 680, silver and copper slightly lower on the silver, but the copper is 4.5 cents lower at 3.75. That's a little more extreme. Um, in the softs, we have cotton down, we have coffee down, we have the sugar slightly higher, cocoa down, lumber down. And the dollar is up slightly. The dollar is 102.81. That's up 16 cents. While Bitcoin gave back all of its move from Friday, down about 1,000. Really trying to have a move here. And the bonds, which we are short, I'll just give you a quick look at those. Um, this is at a critical area here, as you can see, and as I pointed out consistently, we're breaking slightly below this. What I would think is a both an apex and a bear flag. The low close here recently is 126.05. The lowest close recently is down here at 125.27. So, we'll have to see how it looks if we go through 126 to the downside. All right, everyone, have a good day, and I'll try and be back later.